Hi and welcome to my final morning report chart suppose on Thursday the 3rd of September with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's look at gold, and with again another chart. It's so frustrating at the moment. Another chart which had started to form some sort of trend, and then it's now fallen away. It's now lost its momentum, and you would even argue that this move on gold is not is almost quite negative. Looking at the stochastics here, that leaves me a little bit concerned. You've got the stochastics turning lower again, and I think if you saw the RSI, which had been sort of forming, 49.50 seems to be a level on the RSI. If you start to see the RSI falling below these sort of reaction lows from mid-late August, then which is around 49, then I think that would suggest that again the momentum has been lost, and we could be falling lower again. Look at the you're trading above the 21 day moving average, so maybe that is a basis of support. That's at 11.26. Interestingly enough, 11.26 is just around that key reaction low of 31st, which is Monday, 25.50, which is your next sort of support in this. But this gold chart certainly has sort of moved into more of a consolidation phase rather than sort of being able to drift higher. I still think generally gold is in a downtrend on a medium-term basis, and I think on the near-term basis, I think what we're seeing is sort of consolidation within that downtrend. Let me just show you that downtrend on this daily chart here. Big downtrend phase, and I think we're just sort of arguably just consolidating in front of that downtrend. So you're still using ultimately on a medium-term trade basis. I think you're going to be using rallies as a chance to sell, but certainly that rally that we had in the last sort of week or so has just started to drift again. Again, another one that's drifting. No real trend. Decisive trading is not happening in these markets at the moment. It really is difficult to really say exactly direction at the moment. Momentum indicators on the hourly chart again sort of fairly moved into a fairly range bound phase. RSI falling over at 70 on the hourly, and sort of turning up again in the low 30s. MACD lines turning up, stochastics turning up. So again, this consolidation is really difficult, and I know it's not very helpful for guys who are looking for direction and decisive trading, but it doesn't seem as though there is much on the instruments that I'm looking at the moment. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Thank you.